In this video, I'm going to be going over how to clear cache in cPanel step by step. Clearing cache in cPanel is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your cache cleared and flushed in cPanel. Let's get started. To start, I'm on the cPanel page. You'll see the search bar here at the top. Type in cache. Click on Lightspeed Cache Manager. You'll see the Flush LS cache here. Click the Flush All button to clear your cache. It'll say your cache has been successfully flushed. If you want to clear your WordPress cache, scroll down and click WordPress Cache. Click the Flush All button to clear your WordPress cache. You'll see it says WordPress Cache successfully flushed. That is how to clear cache in cPanel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cPanel and WordPress tutorial videos.